Okay, today we will be showing you the lab dashboard of the online Dr. Portal account. So we visit evidentpay.com and we sign in with our email address and password. And once we sign in, we are redirected to the My Evident tab. And in here we have 8 tiles, which will help you manage your doctors through the online Dr. Portal account. So first and foremost, we have the My Evident header image. So this is where you can choose between 5 stock standard images that you can update. And not only does it reflect in your account, but it reflects in your doctor's accounts online. To invite a new doctor, you move on to the next tab, and it's Invite New Customer. And you can click on this blue hyperlink to put in their name, their preferred email, and then search for their customer code here. And you can choose multiple customer codes if needs be. Next is the My Email Notification Manager. So depending on who signed into the lab's online Dr. Portal account, they can choose to be notified if somebody makes a payment or if somebody has set themselves up on automatic payment. But if you deselect these and save the preferences, it only affects whoever is currently logged in. Moving down, we get to My Evident subscription plan. So this highlights your Evident monthly subscription. To the right is the primary payment method that pays for your subscription, which you can edit here and update the card. On the right-hand side is your lab's contact information. So whatever is in here will reflect on the doctor's side of the online Dr. Portal account. So if you merge with another lab, if you change address or update your phone number, you can choose to edit it here and it will update in the Dr. Portal account. Down on the bottom left is how you invite your colleagues to your online Dr. Portal account. So you can invite your colleagues here. You'll see a list of who currently has access. And then you can also remove anybody. So you can just highlight who you would like to remove, and you can remove the user by clicking this icon here. Then finally, we get to the automatic bill payment settings. This is where you can update the date that the automatic bill payment will run. So currently it's set to the 22nd. So we can update it to whatever date you'd like. If the payment has already ran in that month, so let's say it was already set to the 1st, and then you update it to the 20th, that will not run the payment again this month. The automatic bill payments will only run once a month. So that just means that it will run on the 20th of the next month. And once you pick your date, you just select update.